So a little tutorial on how to remove your door glass. You will need to remove your door card to do this. Tools needed will be a trim tool and a 10mm socket and ratchet. So first off, you just want to grab this and peel this back a little bit. Then you want to remove this grommet down here. Now after you've removed your door card, the plug works, so it has a slider on it, so make sure this is slid up before you try and push your window switches back on. Switches in and slide down the back and it will connect. Turn your ignition on and you want to line up the bolt to the window here and in the little grommet hole we've just pulled out. So if you bring it down, so now as you can see, there's one bolt, there's two, so you just want to undo them. Try not to drop them in the door, so you can put your finger in the hole and get them out. Once they are removed, you need to grab hold of the glass and angle it so it comes out. So like you lift the back end up first, angle it so it's straight, lift it out. If this little tutorial helped you, please like and subscribe.